Hey dearies, welcome back to 90 Seconds English Everyday Session with me, Nidhi, where we learn one smart word or idiom every day. So dearies, today we have got a captivating idiom of the day, okay? A captivating idiom of the day, and that is to look like $1 million. What is that? To look like $1 million. Now, what does it mean? To look like $1 million means to look very attractive, fascinating, fantastic, amazing, beautiful, or whatever adjectives you want to give. Okay, so somebody who is looking excellent, probably because they are wearing something that costs a lot of money. Okay, that's very expensive, so they are looking very beautiful. Okay, so the next time you have to compliment somebody, hey, you're looking very beautiful, come on, do not say that, because that's a prosaic way. Okay, that's a dull and boring way. Okay, so you can compliment the person by saying, hey, you look like $1 million today. Okay, for example, Jill looked like $1 million in the ball gown on her wedding day. Jill looked like $1 million in the ball gown on her wedding day. That means she was looking excellent on her wedding day in the ball gown. So I hope that was useful. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay chirpy everybody. Toodles!